Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are going to discuss that if it is urgent for you to apply for a visitor visa to Canada, how you can apply during this pandemic situation. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now, because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask us. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, on this topic I have uploaded other videos as well, but still a lot of people are discussing that if they are in some urgent need now to travel to Canada and they urgently need to apply for visa, how they can apply for visitor visa. So the very first thing you need to do is find out that you do meet the exemption from the travel restriction and your travel to Canada is essential, non-discretionary. Once you meet this criteria, then you need to meet the admissibility requirements, because if you are not admissible, if you are inadmissible, they will not allow you in. So you need to go through this to make sure you understand this. Now when it comes to apply for the visitor visa during this pandemic time, you must apply online using MyCIC account. I have already uploaded relevant resources where you can see this process, but there are certain changes, because that video is of general, like generally when somebody wants to visit or come for tourism purposes. Now what you need to do is, the step 2 is very important. When answering the question, I mean come to Canada questionnaire about the purpose of travel, enter the following information exactly as written to ensure your application is prioritized. Purpose of travel, choose other. From the drop down menu for question 1b description field, write COVID-19 exactly like this. You must use capital letters. So the best option is to copy and paste rather than typing. That is what I would do, but whoever is applying, it's their call. This is just a word, so it's not difficult to type also if you really want to do it. Pay the application fee and submit all supporting documents including biometrics. You must provide evidence that you meet of the one of the travel restriction criteria if you are outside the US and are traveling for an essential purpose. So they have given some example also, and then you will receive an email confirming if your application approved or received, or you may receive a letter requesting more information so we can make a decision. This will be sent to your IRCC secure account. Okay. Your application won't be processed until the suspension is lifted if you don't meet the exemption criteria or officer determines that you are not traveling for an essential reason. So even if you select those answers and you apply and it is determined that you don't actually meet the criteria, they are not gonna reject your application, but it will be put on hold until the suspension is lifted. So it will be in the queue. You need to prepare properly before arriving at the airport to fly to Canada. So they have provided all the information, documents and all that you will need to carry, and moreover they will do a health checkup, and if you show any symptom of COVID-19, you wouldn't be allowed. And when you come to Canada, that quarantine plan of 14 days is very important. So that is how it works guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.